Trenchcoat. This is a round effect card, and you can play it at any end of turn card when it comes out. So we're going to place it face down in round effect, and at any end of turn, you may move an end of turn card to its starting location and complete all the moves on the card. So I would play Trenchcoat face down, and I will wait till I see an end of turn card that I feel makes the most sense. So let's say the end of turn appears and this little 2 comes out with a +1 orange, a +1 black, and a +1 purple. Well, obviously this would be a great time to reveal Trenchcoat and say, I'll take that card and I'll go ahead and complete the moves as it says. So a purple, an orange, and a black, and Trenchcoat just scored us some significant points.
Thanks for watching the video. For more news and updates from the Master of Wheels team, just subscribe to us below.